Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change installed app name, Android. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So firstly, ensure you have Microsoft Launcher on your Android phone. So now, let's open it. Choose Set as Default. Then choose Microsoft Launcher. And now, swipe on the spaced screen. Then choose your preferred app that you want to change the name. For example, I choose the CapCut app. Long press on it. Tap on the arrow to the right. And choose the Tap Edit icon. Then, on the icon name, type in your preferred name for it to change. Then tap Apply. Now let's go back and swipe on the space screen. As you can see, the CapCut name has been changed. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.